You know how hosting Minecraft servers costs like they're made of gold or something? Well, gathering your friends for a LAN party is free. Well, I have a way for you to connect with all your friends that works even better than duct tape. It's NordVPN Meshnet, and the beauty of it is that it works even if your friends are in a different city, state, or even country. Oh, and this isn't just an empty promise. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to host Minecraft servers on your own. So what is NordVPN Meshnet? This is a feature in the NordVPN app that establishes a secure connection with other users of the same app. Not only will you have a secure network of devices where only your friends are allowed, like a LAN server, but the connection itself will be encrypted, so there's no chance of third-party involvement. The great part about Meshnet is that it's your way to get free Minecraft server hosting. You can download the NordVPN app and use it without a subscription. That said, to get VPN and access geo-blocked content, an ad blocker, and more security and performance benefits, you might need to get a paid account. Not only is it much cheaper than buying Minecraft hosting, but you can also get a discount if you check the description below this video. Alright, time to learn how to make a Minecraft server using Meshnet. First, you'll have to download and install the NordVPN app from the official website. It's just a few clicks, and as soon as you're done, you'll be able to access Meshnet from the app. Now, I'm going to cover both the Bedrock and Java editions of Minecraft for Windows, but let's start with you, Bedrockers. For starters, check the description for this video to find a link to the Minecraft official website. There, you'll need to download the dedicated server software and unpack it. You might need to agree to the terms and conditions in the process, and as a security expert, I advise you to do just that. Once you have the software ready, it's time for hosting Minecraft server, so run this file. But to make it possible for your friends to connect to this server, you need to open the NordVPN app and go to the Meshnet section. Oh, and keep in mind, the one who hosts the server has to do that, not everyone. Okay, now you have to click External Devices and invite your friends. All you need here is to input their email address and tick all the remote access boxes. Once everyone's connected, all of you can join your server by taking this line of text, your group name, and typing it in the server address field of the multiplayer menu in-game. And this is how you play Minecraft with friends, essentially for free. If you reach this far and you want to customize your game and choose to play the Java version of Minecraft, smart decision, and the one that requires a slightly different approach. We'll still download stuff from the Minecraft website, but first you need the Java development kit. Don't worry, I know it sounds scary, but there's no coding knowledge required, that's just what it's called. The most common choice here would be OpenJDK. I'll leave a link for it in the description down below. Once JDK is installed, time to go to the official website and download the Java Edition Minecraft server. Once you download it, let's make a simple script to launch your server. Open your notepad and type the following line. Just to be clear, let me explain this whole line of text. So the echo offline will prevent outputs from being shown on screen, so that if you're running commands in game, they won't pop up anywhere. The XMS and XMX parameters determine how much initial and maximum RAM you are dedicating to the server. If you're running vanilla Minecraft, 1024 and 2048 will be enough for a small group of people. But if you have a mod pack in mind, you might need up to 8 GB of RAM assigned as the maximum, and at least 4 GB as the minimum. That said, most gaming PCs nowadays have from 16 to 32 GB of RAM, so you'll likely have enough for comfortable gaming. The Minecraft server part just specifies what this script is supposed to launch with these adjusted parameters. If your server file is called server.jar, for example, you'll have to put that instead of my example. Finally, the no GUI command disables the graphic user interface for inputting commands, which allegedly makes your servers run faster, but I can't say if that's real or not since I've never played without no GUI, so take it with a grain of salt. Still, as soon as you write that in your file, save it as all files and make sure to rename it to start_server.bat. This will create a batch file which you will have to double click to start your server. Finally, we're done with setting up Minecraft, so let's get to Meshnet. Just like with Bedrock, you'll have to open the app, go to the Meshnet tab and send invites to your friends using their email addresses. As soon as your friends are all connected, all of you will need to take this line of text, the Nord name, and input in the server address field of the multiplayer menu in the game. Boom. Done. Enjoy your free Minecraft server. I hope this tutorial was straightforward enough for you. If you have any questions left, please let me know in the comments down below. And you can also leave a like and subscribe if you found this video useful. And perhaps you have suggestions for another tutorial that you need. I would be glad to hear you out in any case. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon in another video.